Hello students. In this video we see chapter 5 parallelogram. Before starting the theorem, first we try to know some basic things. First about quadrilateral. A rectilinear figure enclosed by 4-line segment is called a quadrilateral. Now here we are seeing two figures, figure A and figure B. Okay, both are quadrilaterals. Okay, here the line segments are AB, BC, CD and DA. These are called the sides of quadrilateral. And the point of intersection of two consecutive sides is called a vertex. Two consecutive sides जहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं ये क्या हो गया आपका vertex. So here A, B, C and D are the vertex. AC, this AC and BD are the diagonals. Clear? This AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay student. Now the first quadrilateral which we study is about parallelogram. A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. Now this is the figure of parallelogram. This AB side is parallel to CD. Okay, and this AD is parallel to BC. Opposite sides are equal and parallel in a parallelogram. Next one is rectangle. In rectangle we know that there are two lengths and two breadth. Length and length are equal, breadth and breadth are equal. Length are parallel to each other and similarly breadth are parallel to each other, and angle A, B, C, D, all angles are right angles. And every rectangle is a parallelogram, but the converse is not true. Every rectangle is a parallelogram. Why? Because it is satisfying the property of a parallelogram, that opposite sides are equal and parallel. That's why every rectangle is parallelogram, but every parallelogram is not a rectangle. The converse of this is that every parallelogram is not a rectangle, but every rectangle is a parallelogram. Next, rhombus. A quadrilateral whose all sides are equal is called a rhombus. In this figure, AB, BC, CD, DA, all sides are equal. Square having all four sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. Trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so this is trapezium. Now student, when we see the proof of all the theorems, so the conclusion comes from the theorems is that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if any one of the following holds. Means each pair of opposite sides are parallel, each pair of opposite sides are equal, each pair of opposite angles are equal, diagonals bisect each other, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. A quadrilateral is a trapezium if one pair of opposite sides are parallel. A parallelogram is a rhombus if its diagonal intersect at right angle, and rectangle if its diagonal are equal, and a parallelogram is a square if its diagonal are equal and intersect at right angle. पैरेललोग्राम कब रोम्बस होगा? जब डायगोनल राइट एंगल में इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे. पैरेललोग्राम कब रेक्टेंगल होगा? जब डायगोनल इक्वल होंगे. और पैरेललोग्राम आपका स्क्वायर कब बनेगा? जब उसके डायगोनल्स जो है वो इक्वल होंगे और इंटरसेक्ट कहाँ होंगे? एट राइट एंगल में. क्लियर? Now some things which we have to keep in mind before starting the exercise. Parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, rectangle and square are all quadrilaterals. Rhombus, rectangle and square are all parallelograms. All squares are rhombus but the converse is not true. क्या मतलब हुआ कि सभी स्क्वायर जो है वो रोम्बस है लेकिन सभी रोम्बस स्क्वायर नहीं है. ऑल स्क्वायर्स आर रेक्टेंगल, सभी स्क्वायर जो है वो रेक्टेंगल हो सकते हैं लेकिन सभी रेक्टेंगल क्या है वो स्क्वायर नहीं हो सकते हैं. कॉन्वर्स इज नॉट ट्रू. Clear? So by keeping all these points in mind and after seeing the proof of all the theorems, we come to the exercise. Now students, we see question number 1 of exercise 5a. In the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which DC is parallel to AB, AD is parallel to BC and DC equal to 3x minus 1 centimeter, CB equal to 5 into y minus 1 centimeter. Find x and y and perimeter of ABCD parallelogram. First we write down given DC is parallel to AB. In a parallelogram student, we know that when two sides are opposite sides are parallel to each other, then it is also equal. So we can say that this 3x minus 1 equal to x plus 7. So when we solve, we are getting the value of x is equal to 4. And similarly 2y plus 1 is equal to 5 into y minus 1. When we solve, we are getting y equal to 2. Now we substitute the value of x and y on the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. When we substitute, we are getting AB equal to x plus 7, which is 4 plus 7, 11 centimeter. BC is equal to 5 centimeter, CD is equal to 11 centimeter, and DA equal to again 5 centimeter. And perimeter of a parallelogram is sum of all its sides. So when we add all the sides, we are getting perimeter 32 centimeter. Clear? Now, next question. Question number 2. In a parallelogram ABCD, angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. Find the other angles. This angle B is equal to 70. It is given. We know that in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So angle B equal to angle D. Angle D is also 70 degree. And we assume let angle A and angle C be X. So from the property, we can say that the opposite angles are equal and the sum of all angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So angle A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360. X plus 70 plus X plus 70 equal to 360. 2X plus 140 equal to 360. 2X is equal to 220. X is equal to 110. So angle A is equal to angle C, which is 110 degree. Clear? Question number 5 now. The four angle of a quadrilateral are given. We have to find which type of a quadrilateral it is. So we add all the angle which is equal to 360 degree. When we are adding x variable, we are getting this 13x. 6x plus x upon 2 plus 100 equal to 360. 12x plus x is 13x. When we do cross multiplication, 260 into 2 is 520. 13x equal to 520. X is equal to 520 divided by 13, which is 40. Now we substitute this value of 40 in all the angles. So when we are substituting, we are getting all angle equal to 90 degrees. So it is possible only in rectangle. So it is a rectangle quadrilateral. Question number 7. In a parallelogram, the sum of equal angle is 130 degree. Find the angle of the parallelogram. Let the other angle be x. अब हमें दिया है कि दो एंगल का सम 130 है, ठीक है, और सम ऑफ एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री इन ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल. सो x प्लस एक्स और 130 जो है वो दो एंगल का सम ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. तो x प्लस एक्स प्लस 130 इक्वल टू 360. 2x इज इक्वल टू 360 माइनस 130 विच इज़ 230. x इज इक्वल टू 230 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 विच इज़ 115 डिग्री. तो दो एंगल हमारे आगे 115 और जो जिनका सम दिया था वो थे 130. सो 130 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज 65. सो the given two angles are 65 and 65. So the total four angles are 115 degrees, 65, 65 and 115 degree. Clear, student? I hope you understood. Now we see next questions. Now student, question number 10. If the diagonal of a rhombus are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter long, find the perimeter of the rhombus. Okay, this is the figure of the rhombus. Here the diagonal are AC and BD. AC is 8 centimeter, BD is 6 centimeter. Both the diagonal are intersecting at point O. So it divide the diagonal equally. AO equal to OC 4 centimeter and BO equal to OD equal to 3 centimeter. Now we take this right angle triangle BOC. So when we are taking right angle triangle, we know that the right diagonal of a rhombus intersect each other at 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle and we use Pythagoras theorem. So here BC square is equal to OB square plus OC square. So we are getting BC equal to 5 centimeter and all sides of rhombus are equal. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 4 into 5, 20 centimeter. Now question number 12. In the figure, ABCD is a square and M is the midpoint of side AB. Angle DMC equal to alpha degree. Find DPC in terms of alpha. Now we take triangle DAM and triangle this CBM. We prove that by SAS rule, both the triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore, we can say that DM equal to this MC. Angle MDC equal to angle MCD, which is 180 degree minus alpha upon 2. Also, angle BDC equal to 45 degrees since BD is the diagonal of a square. Okay. Now, in triangle DPC, sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, angle DPC equal to 180 degree minus angle D plus angle C. And we have find that angle D plus C is 180 minus alpha upon 2. When we solve, we are getting angle DPC is equal to 90 degree plus alpha upon 2. Clear? Question number 13. In this figure, ABCD is a rhombus. ABE is an equilateral triangle. Angle BCD equal to 78 degree. We have to calculate angle ADE, angle BDE and angle BED. ABCD is a rhombus. AB is an equilateral triangle. Angle BAD equal to 78 degree. Opposite angles are equal. All sides of rhombus and sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Therefore, each angle is 60 degree. Now we have to find this. So, angle ADE, एंगल ई ए बी इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल में सभी एंगल 60 डिग्री होते हैं। एंगल बी ए डी 78 डिग्री दिया है, तो एंगल ई ए डी इक्वल टू एंगल ई ए बी प्लस एंगल बी ए डी विच इज 60 प्लस 78 138. Since AE equal to AD, therefore angle AD equal to angle AED, which is half of 180 minus 138, half of 42, which is 21 degree. Next, to find angle BDE, and so triangle BCD is an isosceles triangle. So angle BCD is equal to 78 and angle BDC is equal to angle DBC. Therefore angle BDC is equal to half 180 minus 78, which is 51. And angle ADC equal to 180 minus 78, 102 degree. Angle BDE equal to angle ADC minus angle ADE minus angle BDC is equal to 102 minus 51 minus 21, which is 30 degree. Angle BED equal to angle AEB minus angle AED, 60 minus 21, 39 degree. Clear, student? So practice all this question in your mathematics copy. Finish all the question. In next video we see the next question of the same exercise. Thank you, student.